Prior to oral appliance therapy, what were your symptoms?
Hard snoring, causing my airway blockage, not getting good sleep, waking up multiple times during the night, just feeling tired all the time.
What other treatments for your sleep apnea or snoring have you tried? How did they make you feel?
Actually, I didn't try any other treatments because I wasn't sure if I had an issue or I had a problem. So I came here first. I didn't try any other s- uh, products or anything. So I came here first.
How have your symptoms improved with wearing the oral appliance?
It improved tremendously. I've had good sleep. I've had a dream every night since I had the appliances in my mouth. I do not wake up multiple times anymore. I have a very weird sleep schedule with my work, and I feel like I'm getting good sleep and having good energy for my job and daily activities.
Do you have any advice for those on the fence about seeking treatment with an oral appliance?
I would definitely try this. Definitely would recommend trying it. It's something different rather than a CPAP mask. It's very comfortable. It could take a day or two just to get used to something in your mouth, but it's definitely um, it's definitely something that I would recommend tremendously.